Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up Burritos? Welcome to another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now today I will be talking about Shenseea because the dancehall princess has resurfaced on Instagram after taking a 4-week hiatus. That's how you pronounce the word? Hiatus. I ate us? No. Anyway, hiatus. And so she returned to Instagram posting this picture with her and her mother. You know, her mother passed away some time ago, and she put the caption, "Wish we had more time." Now, you know, I guess she's just thinking about the memories of her mother, and that must make her feel a bit emotional. And so many people came out to really support her, such as Jada Kingdom, Yen Dizzle, Lisa Hannah, Cecile, and the other verified people who, you know, are from Jamaica. And so that was done right, but people still were wondering, is she going to address this rumor that she is pregnant for the pop star Drake? She hasn't said anything about it, and so many people are still speculating, still wondering, trying to find out if there was any truth to the matter. No, I was one of the persons who I felt it was a rumor that would have been, you know, crafted by probably somebody attached to her team to just kind of get her name out there. That's what I think. I didn't think Shenseea started it, but I felt maybe somebody on her team just did it to create some buzz and distraction while she took her time away to sort out other things. And it seems that she was quite busy doing some things. But before we jump to that, her following post after that was this picture where she posted up on somebody's wall in front of one building, and she said, "Sorry, I disappeared. Won't do it again." Now, when you see the picture there, first thing me do is look on her little stomach area to see if I see anything reminiscent of any pregnancy. If I see a little bulge, a little nothing around the place, but you make sure in a one black shirt where can't hide things. So I was just like, I do not know. Maybe this picture was taken several weeks ago, so she could be breathing after all, and she not really say anything. But people were just saying, "Hey, glad to have you back." All right. So this was 3 days ago. She posted that picture. Then it looked like the story finally come to bump after she posted a picture in a bikini or like a swimsuit, and she make sure for crop it right underneath her breast jaw. Is there something called a breast jaw? Well, if you have something named a body jaw, then I would assume that you must have something called a breast jaw, would have been that region right below the southern end of the titty. Like that must be considered the breast jaw. So you heard it here first. There is something called a breast jaw right here. So anyhow, she posted a picture in her nice little smile and her hula hoop earring with her little baby ear them to the little side right there. So looking very nice, like so she compete for Miss Jamaica World Beach Beauty. And the caption read, "I invested in my body. Yeah, I am done up." Tongue emoji. So same time I was just like, wait. Does her breasticles look a little bit different? It looked like, you know, like she fold them up with ear. It looked definitely like, you know, like when you blow a balloon and then they're like two more blows before them pop. That is how Shensea's boobs look now. It look like definitely like it. It gets some little oomph into it. And so it looks good. And it would have make sense why she take a little break. I was thinking say maybe it's because she just do want to give Spice some little time for go and promote her song while she lay low and craft what she gonna do next. But it looked like so she was actually under the knife doing surgery to enhance her boobs. Now we know so she do surgery before upon, you know, the bottom part, because she did have one nice little, you know, posterior, but she get a little, you know, a little oomph. So it look, you know, it kind of full out now. So I guess she wanted to balance things with her boobs, and job well done. I don't know who, if it's Dr. Miami do it, but it looks really good. It looks very fitting for her and her frame. And so many people such as Yadman Ethan put out and said, "Don't joke out my eye, boy." Jason on stage said them breasts are fit, and many people, you know, supported her on the move, on the enhancement, and felt that, you know, the investment was well worth it. And me agree. And so, you know, that is Shensea's return. But you know what was really interesting is the fact that she took us into the social scene of her life when after the BT Awards, where Meg Thee Stallion won four awards, she had a midnight brunch party at a private location, and Shenseea looks like that she was invited, and there were a host of celebrities, and Shenseea did a smart thing, you know, like she went there with her own camera crew. I don't know if I Ramesh, I don't know if I did Russian or who should walk with, but that person ensured that they did what they needed to do, which was to show Shenseea mingling with all of these international artists, because you want to show so the girl go places and she's knowing the who's and who's in the industry and such and so forth. So let me just show you when Shenseea ran into the hot girl Meg the Stallions, aka Miss Strong Knees. Okay, alright. So, Meg the Stallion actually asked for Shenseea's number. No, I do not know if this is, a good news, because maybe there will be a collaboration in the making. It would definitely be a good look. I think so the song would have really shell. Or maybe Meg they just kind of like how Shenseea look. Meg kind of, Meg kind of, Meg kind of like a hot girl thing, maybe she like a little Jamaican flavor and be like, hey, I don't want to holler at you at the end of the night, but it look like say Young Miami first are, so we don't know. Maybe Meg the Stallion is just a player out in these streets, but definitely a good look for Shenseea to be, like interacting and networking with these really popular superstars. Anyway, so my girl now actually ran into Chloe from Chloe and Halle, and this was just like so special to me because Jesus, P man, and the love looked like it was mutual. Pre. Yeah man, so I just love it. Every time I see Shenseea with somebody, all in my mind is that, could this be a collaboration? Will they actually put out a music video, get into the studio and get some music out there for the people to enjoy? So hopefully all of this networking will actually amount to something, that it won't be in just source of vein, that we can see Shenseea and a Meg the Stallion and a Chloe just like shaking up them, shaking up little things, and well, about for say where God give them, but where doctor give them are under the knife, like wherever them catch it, like listen, like do you need for do whether that fake, real, synthetic or organic, just shake what somebody gave you, your mama or your dada, not your dada. What am I saying? Oh my God. Your mother or your doctor. Thank you. Jesus, Peeb. Well, this is it for this countdown quickie. I spoke about Shenseea's return to Instagram and her teaming up with Meg the Stallion and Chloe, as well as her recent surgery. Please let me know. Are you here for the boob job that Shenseea did? Do you think it looks lovely? Do you think that she should have just stayed her natural self? I want to hear what you have to say. Also, do you think that there could be the possibility of a collaboration between Meg the Stallion and our very own Shenseea? Sound off in the comments. This is the Countdown Quickie. Make sure to say you like, you leave a comment, as well as to subscribe for more Countdown Quickies. And also, if you haven't checked out my recent social media countdown on my YouTube channel, please to do so right now. The link is right here. Go and check it out. Tata! Until next time.